रहना है.
But do you think कि iconic actors और stars के लिए ये work करता है?
But can I tell you something? Because we spoke about Shah Rukh sir, because because I love him so much. I've read a lot on him. I've spoken to him a lot. I've seen most of his interviews. This tag of love, I don't think so. He never ever wanted to do this. If you see his interviews, he always wanted to be an action star. Like he started with films like Dar, Bazigar, where he played a villain. He played the bad guy. I think DDLJ gave him that tag. DDLJ, Dil To Pagal Hai, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, that he's my romantic guy. He's my romantic hero. And of course, he does it brilliantly. He does it the best way possible ever. But I don't think so he ever wanted to just be in that tag, because Abhi now you see if his career trajectory now after a certain time, it's Dawn, it's Pathan, it's Jawan, he did Chak De, he did Swadesh. I think उन्होंने जो रोमांटिक फिल्म्स हैं वो जो पॉपुलर वाली हैं, ऑफ कोर्स बहुत की है 90s में, यस बॉस, फिर भी दिल हिंदुस्तानी एंड ऑल, बट इन फिल्मों की गिनती ज्यादा है.
आदि चोपड़ा का एक स्टेटमेंट था कि आई टोल्ड शाहरुख, आई थिंक इट वाज एट द टाइम ऑफ DDLJ और आफ्टर दैट, वेयर this was the same conversation where I think Shah Rukh wanted to become an action hero and he said,
कुछ एक्शन करते हैं, and he said कि DDLJ की स्क्रिप्ट मैं सुन रहा था, नहीं सुन रहा था.
नहीं, आदि